All right, today we have a nice, beautiful, elegant light, and it comes with all these crystal glass. Right now, these are very fragile out of the box. You got to be careful not to break them. Now, they only go one way, so that means that this thing has to be standing up because they go through the top and in the bottom. If you guys can see, they're sealed down in the bottom. All right, so they won't pass through. If you want to permanently have them there, you could solder them in, or you could add a tape in here. But it has two lights that are going to be different ways. One's going up and one's going down. And I don't think it could go sideways unless you seal this thing on the side. So right now we're just going to stand it up and we're going to illuminate the whole place. But before you do that, you put in your light bulbs in here. Make sure you take this off before you start setting these up, because once you set them up, they're a little hard to get them out. If you guys can see, this is how you much set them up in there, and they're like. So you're going to be caged up in glass, all right? And it's going to illuminate even more with the actual crystals, if you guys... All right, before you commence, just make sure that you have the light bulbs first, all right? They're the smaller versions of it. We do have two of the light bulbs that we're going to set up, two of the soft white lights, all right? Go ahead and put the light bulbs before we even commence setting up the crystals. All right, once we set them up, all you got to do is drop it in there and just tighten up this... All right, setting up the crystals, just be careful how you set them up because these are a little fragile. You guys can see. So I got this whole side set up. I got this other side set up, and now we need the front one. So if you ever need to remove the light bulbs, just remove the front ones. All right, there you guys have it. It's completed. Beautiful lights. I'm going to show you guys the side view of it. And look, it's illuminating all this area here. You can see the line reflection from the actual crystals, even on the top of the roof. You guys can see that on the ceiling. So lights up the whole area. Very powerful lights, two of them, two little LED lights in there. They are pretty much illuminating this whole entire area here. I got the whole dark room here, completely dark. The only thing that you can see is a fish tank. And that's about it. Easy to install. One of the best, easiest installations I ever done. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.